The PopMart store in Ba Na Hills, known as PopMart Castle Ba Na or Solar Castle, is more than just a retail space. It is a 3-story flagship destination designed as a miniature art museum for designer toy enthusiasts. The PopMart Castle Ba Na holds the distinction of being the first PopMart store in a theme park outside of China when it opened in May 2024. The store's exterior is a magnificent French-style castle, hence the name PopMart Castle. Outside the castle, you can also watch a variety of performances. Perched atop the entrance gate is a massive, attention-grabbing, 4-meter-tall skull panda figure, making the store a landmark in the French village. The 3-story castle is filled with art installations, life-sized character displays like Molly, Labubu, Skull Panda, Hirono, and Demo, and creative exhibits, making the space feel less like a shop and more like an immersive art museum. Visitors have described the PopMart Castle as a collector's dream and the coolest PopMart they have visited, often finding rare items there. So if you're a PopMart fan, make sure to visit the flagship store in Ba Na Hills when in Vietnam. You may buy your Ba Na Hills tickets, including the cable car ride, via Klook. Use the code JAZZDIDITKLOOK to get 5% off. If you don't have Klook yet, download the app and use code SNH64 to get 250 pesos off. Now let's do an unboxing in the cable car on the way back down to Da Nang.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.